Let's take a look at how to do some calculations that you need to know for Chapter 2. The first one is calculating the real farm income. Assume that Swan produced 250,000 bushels, receiving $5 per bushel. What I need to do first of all is get the revenue. So I can do that by taking the 250,000 bushels times $5 a bushel. So my revenue is 1,250,000. Now assume production expenses were $350,000. I would next take 1,250,000, my revenues, minus the $350,000 in expenditures, for farm income of $900,000. But to get real farm income, you have to take in consideration inflation, and that's what the price index does. Let's assume that the price index is 2.2. So my last step would be to take the 900,000 divided by the price index of 2.2. So therefore my real farm income is $600,000. Let's take a look at how we can get that price index. In problem 1, it was given to you. Let's take a look in problem 2. How do we determine the price index? So let's assume for Seth Johnson, the following 3 years have outputs in bushels and price per bushel. The price index is just based on price, not output. Now it wants us to use 2011 as our base year. So that price is $2.80. That will be our base. It wants you to get the index for 2012. That's $3.40. So what I'm going to do is take the 2012, $3.40, and divide it by the 2011, $2.80. Please take it to 3 decimal places. So $3.40, again the 2012, divided by $2.80, the 2011, gives me 1.214 for the price index. Now, let's take a look at the output index. Let's assume this is a different company with a different set of numbers. The output index is not based on price, but on output. Again, let's use 2011 as our base year. That's 85,000 bushels. We want the output index for 2012. That's 95,000 bushels. So I want to take the 2012 output of 95,000 bushels and divide it by the 2011, that's my base, of 85,000 bushels. So when I take 95, my 2012, divided by 85, my 2011, again, take it to 3 decimal places, that's 1.118. Question 4 has 2 parts. The first part wants you to get the company's equity. Well, the equity is defined by you could take all of the company's assets minus the liabilities, and then what you have left is the equity. So what I've highlighted in the peachish color up here is actually our revenues. Remaining in white are my expenses. In yellow are my assets. So I have real estate assets of $5 million, non-real estate assets of $1 million, and financial assets of $2 million. So those could be such things as equipment, feed, that type of stuff. So let me add my assets together. If I add the $5 million plus the $1 million plus the $2 million, I have $8 million in assets. Okay, so I will take the assets of $8 million, subtract the liabilities are given here in blue at $3 million, and that leaves you $5 million for the company's equity. Okay, for the last part, what is the farm's net income? Notice it says net income, not real income. So we're not going to consider inflation on this one. So basically, the farm income is going to be the gross farm income minus the expenses. So if you looked up here, I highlighted in the peachish pink color, these are my incoming revenues. So receipts from farm marketing are $800,000. Plus receipts of government payment are $200,000. Plus other income from other farm sources is $100,000. Okay, so if I add that up, my revenues are $1,100,000. Now I need to subtract out the expenses. Here left in white, it says production expenses are $400,000. So $1,100,000 minus $400,000 leaves me with $700,000, and that would be my farm income. Again, it's not real income because I'm not dividing it by the price index. I hope that helps you out as you work on your first assignment.